Seed, which is the progeny of breeder seed and is produced by State Farm Corporation of India, National Seed Corporation, and State Seed Corporation under technical control of qualified plant breeders or technical officers. Foundation seed plots are jointly inspected by the Seed Certification Agency, and it is not as pure as the nucleus and breeder seeds are. The bags are sealed with white colored label. The last is registered seed. It is raised from nucleus, breeders or foundation seeds. Registered seed growers are selected from progressive farmers. The maintenance of purity is done from time to time. The purity is maintained through field inspections by seed certifying agencies and seed tests. The bags are sealed with purple colored label. Last is certified seed. It is a progeny of registered or foundation seed. The bags of certified seed are sealed with purple colored label. And the next is two methods used for seed productions. First is seed to seed method and another is bulb to seed method. Let's have a look first at seed to seed method. Seedlings after transplanting are allowed to overwinter in the field. The bulbs are not lifted and allowed to flower in the same field. This method is not preferred because it doesn't allow the examination of true to two type of the onion bulb, and roughing off types and diseased and multi-center bulbs may occur. The genetic purity of the seeds produced from such method is usually poor, though the seed production cost is less compared to the bulb to seed method. Now let's study bulb to seed. Bulb to seed production method. Here we have highlighted bulb to seed production method used in onions. In the first season, the onion bulbs are produced, which after maturity are harvested, and the bulbs which are 2 to 2 type are sorted and stored. The rabi and late kharif varieties are stored for next season, and kharif varieties are given rest for 15 to 30 days. The stored bulbs are planted in the next season to produce seeds. Top 1/3 portion of the bulb is cut to examine the number of axes of growing center. Preferably, single center bulbs should be chosen and soaked in 1 gram per liter baiting and carbosulfuron 1 milligram per liter. It allows us to examine the bulb characteristics and roughing off undesirable bulbs. Hence, genetic purity is high in this method of seed production. Now let's study about weed management. Weed management is necessary in vegetable gardens. Weeds compete with vegetable crops for water, nutrients and light, and can harbor insect and disease pests. Start a weed control program before planting and continue weeding throughout the growing season. Keeping weeds down early in the season when they are small reduces the amount of hand weeding required later in the summer when high temperatures and humidity make this task more difficult. Weeds are often difficult to eradicate. So, let's study about weed management and pest control. The management of weeds and pests in vegetable seed production possesses additional problems due to their longer growing season not encountered for vegetables grown for market use. This extended growing period necessitates an increase in residual pesticide activity or additional pesticide applications. In some cases, government regulations do not permit the use of the same pesticide for a vegetable seed crop that is used for the market use crop. This is because the approval process is directly at the more economically important value crop. In this slide, we have shown a small illustration depicting weed management. This was all about techniques used for seed production of important vegetable crops. In the next session, we will discuss mode of reproduction in vegetable crops. Thank you.